After stacking the data together, now we're gonna sort it. So sometimes management or decision makers or analysts would like to see things in a certain order, either by year, by revenue type from, I don't know, mini market, then hypermarket, and so on, or by revenue from highest to lowest. So we're gonna go through sort and sort by. Sort actually sort only one thing. Let's start with the sort function. First, again, let's copy the header. Okay. And we're going to start with the formula. Again, since we're using sort, so the formula is sort. We're going to choose the array. Now, since our array is already a dynamic array, we can choose only the first one and use a hashtag. So if you use a hashtag, it's going to take into consideration the whole database. Come on. Sort index. Which index I want to sort in a certain order. So let's say we want to sort it by country. Now, year, which is the first column that we chose, is number one. Country is number two, type number three, salesperson number four, and you got the sequence. So if I want to sort it by country, I'm going to choose two, which is the sort index, comma, sort order. Do I want it ascending or descending? So from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. So let's say ascending, and I simply close parentheses. That's it. It's as simple as that. I press enter. I have Algeria at the beginning, and if I scroll down, keep scrolling down, I'm gonna have A, Australia, Brazil, B, C, Canada, and so on. However, if I go back to the original formula and I put it as -1, I'm gonna have USA, which is the last letter between A and Z. Okay, so you can choose either. What if we wanna sorting more than one criteria, more than one column in one formula, and it's gonna be sorted in a certain sequence? We're gonna use the sort by.